Manifestation tip number 594. Every thought you think seeks to manifest. The entire duty of the subconscious mind is to manifest the desires of your conscious mind. So every thought that you think is vying for power on which will be the deciding factor that the subconscious mind chooses to manifest. So it goes by, number one, the quality of the thought, how powerful the thought has, how much energy it has behind it, and also the quantity of thought, how often you are thinking that thought, because that will form your beliefs. A belief is just a thought that you continue to think. So the more that you think something, the more it forms a stronger belief. And these stronger beliefs are like big trees that have roots in your mind. And that is where the nutrition will go to. You know, if you go into a forest and try to plant a seed, it's not really going to grow as well as if you create space within a garden, plant it there, water it, because the forest has tons of plants with deep roots that are taking up all of the nutrients, so it's going to get choked out. So these beliefs that you have that are unproductive towards your goals and desires, you need to cut them down, meaning you need to formulate and visualize, because a thought is just an image, the thought of what you do want to manifest, and continue to think that over and over enough until it outweighs and overpowers and chokes out the unproductive thought form and belief that you do not want to continue to manifest into your life. Before you can see any type of change outside of yourself, you first have to make the change within yourself. Go within or go without.